Hey everyone, today I'm gonna unbox a package and yeah. First, let's roll the intro. So this is a package from Shopee and it's a keyboard. I bought a keyboard. It costs about 1,200 pesos. And I'm excited to unbox this because I've been using this keyboard for 10 years. You know what, let's just get on to the unboxing. So yeah, that are the sound tests and the keyboard, like montage. And this is a keyboard. This is a 60% layout. It's my first time using a 60% layout. My old keyboard is a full keyboard layout. I don't know how many keys are this. I don't wanna count them. But these are the blue switches keyboard from V-Pro V700 RGB. I bought this keyboard 5 years ago. With a cost of 3,500 pesos. This keyboard costs about that much. And this keyboard costs about 1,200 pesos. I mean, it's a very good budget keyboard. It's actually the cheapest 60% layout keyboard or mechanical keyboard out there in the market. Overall, this keyboard is a bit stabilizers. Let me talk about the stabilizers. It sounds a bit rally, as you can identify the keyboard or the key stabilizers by just like gently touching the spacebar. So that means if it creates that noises, and the shift and the enter button, it's not lubed. Okay, you can improve this keyboard sounds by lubing them. And actually, let me try lubing it just once. By the way, I don't advise it using this kind of lube. You could use the Krytox lube, but this is a Rubik's Cube lube that has been given by my cousin. See that Rubik's Cube lube? There. It's a Rubik's Cube lube, and I'll try lubing one space bar, and I'll see. Just gonna remove the space bar. Whoa, this. Oh, it's hard. And by the way, the under here is like, I don't know, is it? It's still plastic. It's all plastic. There's no aluminum. That's why it sounds a bit hollow. I don't know. There's like this. It's weird because it's not aluminum. It's an aluminum plate. Actually, I tried lubing it one time. Just tiny bit, not too much. Yeah, there's like a bit scratch on my spacebar now. I don't know if you can see that. There's like black marks. That's why I don't use this keycap puller. It's trash. We gotta lube the stabilizers as well. Yeah, keyboard enthusiasts, please don't judge me for doing this. Let's just destroy the spacebar cause I don't need this spacebar cause I'm gonna buy a new spacebar anyways. Yep, that's not lubed at all. Let's put a little bit of lube there. Just a little bit. Now let's hear the difference. Wow, there we go. Yep, there's the rattle is fixed. Ooh, sounds better now. So yeah, I think I fixed the space bar now by lubing it a little bit, just a little bit. Cause you might break the switches if you over lube the switches too much. That's why look at this. This is my old keyboard. This is a lubed blue switch spacebar. Can you hear that? Is it a blue switch really? It literally just sounds like red switches. The spacebar sounds great. Keycap sounds really good. This is an old stock. Yeah, I hate blue switches. I've been using this keyboard for 5 years, and I kind of hate blue switches now. It's so noisy. But the freaking lube ones. Backspace. Shift. Got a space bar. And yeah, I think that's it. So I'm gonna change the keycaps of this, and then the next video I'm gonna lube the switches as well. So we're gonna modify this keyboard next time. So see you guys next time. And yeah, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss an upload. See you guys next time. Peace.